How to fix GCash app game not working. In this video, I will guide you on how to fix GCash app game not working. The first thing you want to do is open up your settings. Now scroll down and tap on apps. Then you want to scroll down from this list of applications and tap GCash. Here you want to tap on the storage option, then tap on clear cache. Now tap on clear data and tap on the delete option. This will delete all of the application's data. Once that is done, you want to head back. Now tap on force stop. After that is done, open up Play Store. Now search for GCash. If you find the option of update here, tap on that and update the application to the latest version. After this, launch open GCash, log into your account, and your issue should be fixed. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.